Hello, today we are going to talk about tire pressure on your scooter. Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about tire pressure. It's something really important for your scooter that is very essential, okay? It can be dangerous for you because you're not going to have a handle on your scooter. If you have less pressure on your tires, you're not going to be handling your scooter pretty good, okay? Because your tire might be wobbling, okay? So that is one of the problems of your tire pressure. Most important problem. You know, you can lose your life if you don't have the right tire pressure. Another tire pressure problem that your economy on the fuel economy is not going to be so good because your tire pressure is going to be low. So the surface of the tire touching the ground is going to be wider. You know, it's like you have a fist, right? If you have a low pressure, you're going to have a flat fist. If you have a higher pressure, you're running on a very small patch of the tire. So tire pressure is really important, okay? So you're talking about fuel economy, you're talking about wobbling and handling of your scooter, and other many things that can happen when you don't have the right pressure, okay? Now, it's an easy thing you can buy. This is a tire gauge for your tire, okay? So you can use it on your car too. It doesn't matter if you use it on a motorcycle or on your car. Tire pressure is very important. Now, where are you going to find the information for this GY6 scooter? Usually on the GY6 scooter, if you're lucky, sometimes they don't put it all the time, but lately they're putting all the information right here on the right in front of your feet. When you're driving your scooter, you have the information of your tire pressure, okay? I want to show you right now what's the tire pressure for this scooter, okay? Okay, this is the tire pressure you should have on your scooter. This one is a little plaque that you have on your scooter that tells you what pressure you should have on your GY6 150cc scooter, okay? It tells you that on the front you should have a 36 psi, and on the rear back is 36 psi. So both of the tires, they should be at the same level. Now, I don't like myself that's 36 because you're kind of bouncing too much. So I'm putting a 34 psi in the back and a 30 psi in the front. Now, what they're putting on your scooter is a suggestion from the company and tells you that's what you should have on your scooter. Your pressure, 36 psi on the front and 36 psi in the back, okay? That's from the company. Now, and then you're going to adjust yourself in your style of riding your scooter how much pressure you like to have, okay? So remember, if you have low tire pressure, you're going to have heavy steering on your scooter, okay? When you turn, you're going to feel the scooter is kind of heavy when you turn it. So if you have the right pressure, it's going to be nice and light, okay? So you should have at least like 30 psi in the front and 35 or 36 in the back, okay? So it's going to be nice and lighter, okay? Now you're not going to ride sloppy. You're going to feel like it's going to be a little sloppy if you don't have enough pressure on your scooter, okay? So that's another thing. Fuel economy, you know, it's going to be another, but you're not going to feel too much fuel economy change with the scooters because usually they really use a little less gas than a car for sure. So that's something you're really going to feel different. And then if you have a really low pressure on your tire, you're going to use your tire a lot more. They're going to wear a lot faster. So that's something in your scooter that is very important, okay? So you don't want to wear your tire a lot faster. No? Now you should buy a pressure gauge online. It's about $5. This one is from Harbor Freight, or you can buy it online on Amazon maybe for around $10. Pressure gauge, very important for your scooter, very important for your life, because with this one every 2 weeks you should check your tire pressure. That's very important. Checking your tire pressure every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. every time that you feel your scooter is not handling right. If it doesn't handle right when you're riding and you feel it's hard turning, that's very important. Check your tire pressure, okay? Now, you can find all the information in the owner manual, how much pressure you need on your scooter. You have the little tag right here there on your scooter. On the front side where you put your feet, there is usually a tag. Sometimes they put the tag where is the swing arm in the back, or they put the tag inside, right underneath your seat. You can find the tag on many scooters, okay? So make sure you're going to pay attention to the pressure of your tire. It's something really easy. It's a little maintenance for the scooter that is very easy, but it's very important for you and for your safe, okay? To be safely with your scooter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really short video to let you know that tire pressure is really important. Have a great day. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click like, that is very important, and have a great day.